Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today we're going to be creating this cute little box using the Hello Cupcake stamp set, which is available in the Celebration catalogue and is free for every order of £45. Okay, so I'm sure you would have recognised this design. I have created a card with it. And here's just a little box that coordinates really well with it. So I'm going to show you today how to make it. So I'm going to move the project completely out of the way, and I'm going to bring in my trimmer. And what I've done already is I've pre-cut a piece of Blushing Bride, and it measures 11 centimetres by 20. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to remove my cutting blade from my trimmer because I've had an accident already. So I'm going to measure 2 centimetres and score all the way around to begin with. Okay, so that's the top half and the second half, and now I'm going to bring it down to 9 centimetres and score again, and then flip this round and line it up with 9 centimetres, and there you have it. So to move my trimmer out of the way. So what I didn't show you is the fact that the box essentially opens. Oh, got the dimensional stuck to me. The box essentially opens at the bottom and folds over. So there's some Cadbury's eclairs in there at the moment, and it just closes shut like so. So I'm going to show you how it's made. So there you have the basic outline. We're going to cut these middle tabs out, as they will just get in the way later on. And now we're going to fold on all the score lines, making sure they are super crisp. So are you starting to see how the box is going to come together? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly cut here. And the way I like to make my boxes is, you know, the score line is quite thick. I like to cut one side on the outside and one on the inside. So if we do this one on the outside, like so. And then this one on the inside. No, this one on the outside, the other one was on the inside. So then that means that that little extra is going to help it fit together. So with these tabs, we're going to fold them over and fold them in like so, and that's going to create the walls. For the sake of the video, I am using just some tear and stick tape. However, I would recommend you use liquid glue, because that will give you a better hold than tape would. The only issue is you do have to wait just a little bit, a couple of minutes, just for it to dry. So like so. And you're just going to peel that off. And then that can be stuck together. And on this side, and like that. So that's like so your box fits together. So now for the decoration, we're going to follow a lot like the card, as it does have the similar elements. So to start with, I'm going to bring in a piece of Blushing Bride DSP, and I'm just going to adhere that down in the centre like so, and that just creates a little backdrop. So bringing in our adhesive, I'm going to quickly glue the top and the bottom, and as you can see, just a small amount of glue, and that's just going to sit on top like so. And then what this does is this is going to sit over the top, as you can see. So that's super cute. But first we need to stamp our image. So bringing in a piece of Whisper White cardstock, and I'm going to bring in some crumb cake. I'm going to stamp the cupcake case down. And then bringing in Blushing Bride, I'm going to stamp the frosting and the cake itself. So starting with the cupcake bit, stamp that down. And then with the actual frosting, just quickly ink it up and stamp down, like so. So it's super quick and easy, and all you're going to want to do is first you cut it out, so then you end up with something like this. So this is actually going to be stuck down with dimensionals. So just flip it over. Peel off the back. And then just sit that over the top, like so. So the reason why I've done that first is just so I have a larger area to put glue. So when I go to put it onto the box, which is that way, it's going to stick down perfectly. Like so. So now for the sentiment, all I've done is I've heat embossed Sweet Wishes from the stamp set onto basic black cardstock, and I'm just going to fishtail the ends So that out the way. And then I'm going to stick one dimensional on the back, and then liquid Tombow on the other side. And that's just going to hang off the bottom of our box. And then I'm just going to bring in some sequins, which are the clear ones, which are available in the spring summer catalogue, just to accent the card slightly. The box even. I've lost the plot. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's project. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below, where a full list of the products used to make this cute little box are available, along with links to my online shop and where you can purchase them. While you're there, why not like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share to your social media so everyone can see how quick and easy it is to make such a cute box. I'll see you around. Bye.